planking. Nice bunch of plankers we have out there sometimes, but it is one of those things that a lot of people are sitting there and going, don't really want to be doing that, especially when I turn around and say, right, we're going to do 3 sets of planks today, but 90, 60, 30, and everybody goes, It's really not that hard. You just have to get the right positioning. There's a lot of things that people do wrong though, and that's where the problem comes in. So for your normal plank, hands straight underneath the shoulders. Okay, take one foot back, followed by the other, and then you see people doing this. Or you see them doing this. Or you see them doing this. And the shoulders are way back. That's not planking. I don't know what any of those things are, but it certainly isn't anything to do with Pilates. So the most important thing, make sure hands straight underneath the shoulders, fingers are slightly spread. Take your feet one back and behind the other, and then you bring the shoulders forward so that they are straight over your hands. You don't want to bum up in the air, you bring it into a flat line. What do you think a plank looks like? It doesn't look like this. That's a corner. This is a plank from here. If you have dodgy wrists, okay, what you can do, take it down onto your elbows, make sure they're in a triangle. It differs slightly here because you need to bring the shoulder forward over halfway down your forearm to get that flat plank. When you get tired, don't just give up and go, okay, we'll sit like that. You want to still keep that plank position and then just drop the knees down. You can do it from modified plank on your elbows or from the plank position here. Not here, bring them forwards, shoulders over the hands, and keep breathing. Breathing is important. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And don't hang your dead head down. Dead head. Head, no. Up, yes. Extension, here, pull. Extension, pull. And breathe. It's great. Thank you for giving me a minute. And if you liked it, well, please do hit like and subscribe. And don't feel shy. Comment. Let us know what you'd like to see, how we can help you. And don't forget that soon, if you do like it enough, I'll be asking you to give me 15 minutes. We'll see you there.